What's up, my soaping friends? As promised, here's a quick tutorial on how to use SoapCalc. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Pick the type of lye you're using. It's already pre-selected. You can leave this as is. NaOH is for sodium hydroxide, and this is for making bar soap. The KOH is for potassium hydroxide, and that's for making liquid soap. Step 2, weight of oils. So pretty much this is asking you how much your soap mold can hold. So let's select ounces, and for the sake of this video, I'm going to type 40. So my soap mold can hold about 40 ounces. Step 3, water. We are going to keep this simple. We are not water discounting or anything. We're going to select lye concentration and enter 33%. Step 4, super fat. You could actually leave this as is. Super fat just means the percentage of oil that won't be converted into soap, so it'll leave behind extra oil, creating a more hydrating, moisturizing bar. As you start to make more soap and learn more things, you can actually tweak the number of the super fat. Fragrance, me personally, I like to use Bramblesberry fragrance calculator. I will leave a link to that in the description box. Okay guys, now let's add our ingredients. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and add the recipe from the last upload. So let's find coconut oil, and we're going to hit this add button over here. We're going to find olive oil, add shea butter, add, and sweet almond oil, and add. Okay, now we're just going to enter the percentages that I gave you from the recipe, which is 13 for the coconut oil, and so on and so forth. Alrighty, so I have all my percentages in. I'm going to hit calculate the recipe. Everything is at 100. I'm going to go back up here and double check that everything is how I want it to be. And then we're going to go down here and view/print recipe. Okay, so that's it. Here is the recipe. You can name it up here. I'm just double checking to make sure everything is still like I input before. Here is the water amount. Here is your lye amount. It tells you exactly what you need in ounces or grams or pounds. Here we have the amount of the ingredients. Okay, so this last part is the soap bar quality. It tells you your hardness, cleansing, conditioning, bubbly, creamy, and so forth. When you're first starting out, try not to get too caught up on this part. Just make sure that your range is within the range suggested, and you should be fine. Soap is totally trial and error. Make the soap. If it doesn't work, go back to the drawing board and make it again. So I really do hope this video helps. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Go check out some of my other content. And like always, my good people, spread love, never hate. Because what you hating for? Peace.